I love cashew cream. I think it's safe to say that it's one of the staples in our house. Here's how I make it. First, soak the cashews. Best to do it overnight, but if you're anything like me and you forget to do so, no worries. Just soak them the day of in hot water for at least 2 hours and you're good to go. These are the seasonings I use. Not gonna lie, I make this so much I don't even measure anymore. Best I can tell you is to start with a teaspoon of each seasoning and go from there. If you taste as you go, you'll know what is missing, if anything. Once you have all that in the blender, top it off with some water. The more water you add will make thinner cream. If you want it thicker, just add less. Don't forget to scrape the sides in between blending cycles. It'll give you a smoother finish. It may not seem like much, but trust me, it makes a difference. I hope you found this recipe to be helpful. Share it in the comments if you plan to make it, and also let me know what meals you would add cashew cream to. Lastly, if you enjoy my videos, definitely like and subscribe. Share them with your family and friends so they can see how easy and awesome vegan cooking can be. Thanks for watching, and be sure to come back for more tasty content.